Whenever you're ready, and action. Nice and loud for us.
Hi, Jeff. So first off, let me just tell you thank you for allowing us to come in and look at your business processes and being so transparent, your team being open and honest, letting us gimbal walk, process map this. We've really been impressed by Hotel International, but we did make it through the process map of your room service. If I can remind you and go back to our original problem statement, which is somewhere. The problem was that the room service orders need to be under 30 minutes, and that wasn't happening at the time. We were taking upwards of 70 minutes to get an order out. You're receiving a lot of guest complaints because of that, and so we've taken a look at this process. Current process map after we started this was 22 steps, and we didn't get too granular in this. It could have been a lot more than that. With this piece of just the guests starting their order all the way to it making it to the kitchen could take anywhere from 7 to 23 minutes. Thank you, math. Not my thing. And then getting into cooking the order was taking an abundance of time, and then all the way to the guests receiving the order, and a significant portion of the time that guest having an issue and having to the order either having to be completely restarted or end up at the back of the kitchen for a missed item. And we want to make sure that your guest service scores stay high and that your guests are happy with your hotel and continue to return. So we've gone in and looked at what a potential future state could be, and I know you said that you had some budget when we originally talked, and so that technology was not out of the question, that it was time to automate and move with the times. So we think that implementing a KDS system is really going to help fix this room service issue, as well as just, we didn't look at the restaurants, but it'll also help in the restaurants with their efficiency as well. So starting with our future state, with a guest making an online order in the rooms themselves, if your guests don't have your app downloaded or not using the website, you could put a QR code in there as a room service option. You can put it on your screen through your system, and the guest can scan that QR code and go straight into your menu. So from there, they'll place their order. That'll go straight to your kitchen. So the kitchen will receive the order on a digital display. They can go ahead and potentially prep the order if they haven't prepped already, and then cook the order. Once that order is placed in the window, the room service server, which we are proposing as a new position to eliminate your bussers and waiters, because you wouldn't need as many, and then they'd be specialized in their field, which of course will only help with labor savings as well as guest satisfaction. So once that is placed in the window, they'll immediately be notified through the digital display that the food's ready, as will the guest be notified that their order has been cooked and is on its way for delivery. So from there, they will wrap the order, deliver the food to the guest. Guests will receive that order. If they have any issues, the room service will communicate that back to the kitchen. I think that the issues are going to be minimal now that the guest is the one who's putting in their order. There is no way of game of telephone of I heard this wrong or I missed this piece. So that piece should hopefully be eliminated, and then we're hoping to move your guest satisfaction scores from their current state to about a 80% increase. I just made up that KPI.
Pretty impressive.
And then we can eliminate your labor by a lot. We've taken
Eliminated 2 positions.
2 full positions out of 4 positions out of this process. So you've eliminated front desk from the process, host, busser, and waiter.
So you didn't fire them, you just...
We repurposed them around the other areas of the restaurant and casino.
And from now their new knowledge of efficiency, what would you have them do in their new positions?
Well, I think you saw that your front desk already had a wait time, no matter what was going on, where guests were being put on hold. So hopefully they'll now be able to focus on actually managing the front desk and that portion of your building, which should also help with your guest service scores. And then bussers and hosts, bussers, hosts, and waiters, instead of utilizing them for room service, they're really best suited for your restaurant where they can better suit your guests.
Awesome. Good job, you guys. Good job. Was that fun?
It was. Are you in, Jeff?
I'm in.
Okay.
You got it. Good job, you guys. It's approved. It's approved.
All right, he's the sponsor. Let's open up the
You can pay me later. All right. Was that fun, you guys?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Was that helpful? Can you take this back to your organization and use these tools?
Absolutely. Definitely.
already
It's
thinking
better
of
visually
ideas.
to help get your pitch across, essentially, right? Rather than just going in there and putting it out. You got those, I don't know, it's not up there anymore, but that visual management, right?
The swim lane.
Swim lane. Yeah.
Very cool. Good, good. Awesome, guys. That was the whole point of this whole thing.